Take your chicken wings and place them straight into your air fryer. Get all those in there because it is buffalo wing time. I'm now just gonna take a little bit of our red hots and pour that all over your chicken. Not only am I gonna put red hots at the end, we are also going to cook them in the red hots for extra spice and flavor. Then a whole lot of oil all over there, just some canola oil, just get them nice and coated, beautiful. And then I'm gonna follow that up with some of our salt, just salty salt goes all over, and then just take your hand, this can has a glove on it, and just get that fully mixed up. Now the idea here is this chicken is now gonna cook and get that flavor just penetrated in there. Then we'll also obviously make a sauce. Let me take off my glove. Now this just goes right in the air fryer. Ready for it? Air fry that, and on, air fry, start. Beautiful. Okie dokie, let's look at those. Wow, that is sizzling beautifully. Just give those a flip. It's important to make sure you get a nice even cook on here. Flip those wings upside down, kind of like a frown. Flip that frown upside down. Flip the wings upside down. Wow, the dogs are very excited about this, and I'm gonna keep on cooking, and meanwhile, let's make our sauce. Meanwhile, we're gonna take some more of our Frank's hot sauce right into here, add in a whole lot of butter. That is the secret. You wanna have a lot of butter in there. Mix it up, look at that. Now, does that look familiar? That is our buffalo sauce. Just hit that with a little bit of salt also, then some good amount of freshly cracked pepper right into there. Whisk, 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 and that is what we're gonna coat our wings in. And take these out of here. They look absolutely incredible. I'm gonna pour this over. This is, again, our plant-based butter. So this is dairy-free. I forgot to mention that. It's not real butter. It is plant-based butter. And then just take that right onto your plate. And oh, look at that. All that extra sauce to dip it in. Wow, wings are ready. All right, Noah, you love chicken wings.
I do. These don't really look like normal chicken wings.
What do you mean? I mean, they kind of look a little frog-like.
They kind of look not like chicken.
I know, but they are. So give it a try. Let's see what you think.
I'm trying to look for a piece with the most meat.
Okay, that's great. Ooh, show us, give us a nice close-up on that. Okay, that actually looks really good. It's kind of glistening in the light.
It's glistening. You want your food to look as good as it tastes.
Let's see
what you think. So this already passes that test.
What do you think?
Wow.
Spicy?
Wow. No.
Not too spicy? What do you think?
Perfect level of spice, perfect flavor. It's a bit tangy.
Ooh.
If I do say so myself.
Very interesting.
It's a hard yes for me.
And would you believe that it was entirely made in the good old air fryer?
Yeah, because it's right next to me, so that's my assumption.
Oh, okay, I see how it is. I mean,
but if it wasn't right next to me, I may not have assumed that.
And look, it's like a perfect cook. That inside's nice and
cooked. Perfect consistency, and it's a really vibrant.
Yeah.
Really vibrant colors, guys.
And is the outside crunch like a good crisp?
Delightful crisp.
Wow. There you go, made entirely in the good old air fryer.
Can you imagine?